This 2017 Thor Motor Coach Axis 24.1 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Thor Motor Coach is 25 feet 6 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Whisper Dune II, Brazilian cherry interior, sleeps 5, TV antenna, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, oven, self-contained, smoke detector, air conditioning, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2017 Thor Motor Coach Axis 24.1 is built on a Ford E-Series 12,500 pounds chassis and is powered by a Ford Triton 6.8 LV10, 305 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.